Hey y'all, we're fixing to make a cake. Caden has some friends coming over, 3 of them to be exact. So I'm about to have a house full of 12-year-old boys. We're gonna do a classic white cake. We're gonna do cupcakes with some homemade icing. This is one of my favorite desserts, actually. This is a Duncan Hines. My preference if I'm using a cake mix. I'm just gonna go off of the instructions on the back. You can use milk instead of water. I'm just gonna use water. And I don't know why, but I don't make this very often. I never have been a big baker. I do it sometimes, every once in a while. Half cup of oil or a stick of butter, softened. The milk and the butter might make it taste a little richer. I've never been able to tell too big of a difference. I've done both. It's a good thing I have 3 eggs left because that's what we need. I forgot with it being a white cake, you're not really supposed to use the yolks. I do sometimes, but I'm going to take at least one of them out. Actually, I'm going to take 2 of them out. Who needs one of them little yolk separators when you got your clean hands just to get it? Well, that don't take rocket science. You just follow the directions and mix it up. I'll show you how to make the icing next. Got these little balloon ones that I just had in the pantry. I also looked for my food coloring because I was going to put some blue food coloring in my icing. And I don't have any. But I did find some little blue sprinkles for them. I'm just going to use this little scooper to get my cake mix in the things. Well, we're going to get 16 out of this batch. For Mama's icing, she uses powdered sugar. She uses either 1 box or half a bag, basically 1 pound of powdered sugar. You're going to need about a 1/3 cup of water or milk, but we like to use water because sometimes you'll have leftover icing that we like to keep, and if you use milk it won't last as long. I love this icing, let me tell you, and when I have some left over I dip fruit in it. It's so good. But you're gonna need 3/4 cup of Crisco. I'm gonna mix this up first and then I'm gonna put some flavorings in it. Gotta start slow when you're mixing powdered sugar. This whole kitchen will look like Caden's bedroom did when he was a baby and poofed baby powder. He just went around the room doing this before we even knew it. His whole bedroom was white. I was talking about you. In my opinion, the most important flavor being used is the almond extract. Not much. It is such a strong flavor. So you only need like maybe a 1/4 teaspoon or a half maybe. We can always add more if we taste it and want more. Then you're gonna need about a teaspoon of the vanilla extract. And she sometimes uses butter flavoring, but if you don't have that, you can cut back on your Crisco and add butter. I didn't do either one because I just want that almond and that vanilla in mine. Them kids can smell it when the mixer gets done. So now we've got our homemade icing. I had put this in the refrigerator to wait while my cupcakes cooled off. I'll get a couple of them and ice them with y'all. I really wish I had that blue food coloring. I don't really like sprinkles or sugar or anything on my cupcakes. I just want icing on it. You have to wait till the cupcake gets all the way cool or the icing won't do right. But I just put me some on there. Like I said, I'm not a baker. I don't be getting all fancy with it. I just cover it. I can smell it. It smells so good. Oh, that's so good. I got a feeling not one of these cupcakes are gonna be left. That was supposed to make 24 cupcakes, by the way. I overfilled them a little bit. If you don't want just white cupcakes and you don't have no food coloring to make them blue on top, you can always just sprinkle you some sugar. I think I'm gonna put some in my hand first so I don't make a mess. And then I'm just gonna lightly dust the top of them. Here comes Caden now. Wanna try it?
Yes, please.
Or do you want to wait for everybody and let everybody try it? He don't want to wait. I'm going to try this one because I don't like all that sugar on mine.
I'm going to get the one with the most sugar just because of that.
It's going to be so soft and delicious.
It feels like a sponge. So,
yeah, because they're fresh. They're like really soft. Cheers.
Tastes just like my mom's.
Yes, just like Momo. You hear that, Momo?
Delicious.
I'll see y'all tomorrow. I love you. Stay
Stay
classy.
classy.